everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jay. Welcome back to another video. All right, you guys, so in today's video we'll be going on with the Jawbreaker palette. The last video I did the mini breaker and I told you guys I was going to do the other one on the next video. So yeah, so that's what we're doing today. We're going to be playing with the Jawbreaker palette from Jeffree Star, or by Jeffree Star, or whatever. Okay, so anyways, if you guys want to know how I get this look and how this palette looks on the inside, which pretty much I'm sure half of you already know what it looks like, continue on watching. Alright, you guys, so as you can see, I already did my eyebrows off camera. Now I just need to prime the eyelids and all that other stuff. Guys, it is really hot in here. Really hot. Okay, so let me get some primer. I'm using the e.l.f. primer. Like I told you guys, I ran out of primer, so I'm just using like the e.l.f. face primer. I mean, it pretty much worked the same on the last video, so you know it's pretty much the same as eyeshadow primer. So all right, so now going into this beauty, opening it up upside down, and this is the beautiful, fabulous Jawbreaker palette. Oh, so beautiful. And look at the inside, baby. Such beautiful colors. And what I like about it is that it's very foldable. So look, that's one good thing about it. Because I know some palettes like literally like stay right there. But this one, no, goes all the way down, which is amazing. So that is good. So I'm looking at these. Ooh, I'm really liking this light purple. I'm trying to see really what I can do. Alright, so okay, I got something somewhat in mind. So yeah, so like I always do, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with I'm gonna go ahead and do one eye on camera and the other one off camera. But first, let me pick up this brush that fell on the floor. Okay, so first color I'm gonna go in with is with Good Morning. It's a nude shade and it could be perfect for a transition color. Oh, and the good thing about this palette is not too much fallout. So that's the good thing. So like I said, we're gonna use this one as a transition color. I should like do like a pink and purple. I was thinking about that light blue and then that light purple, but then I'm looking at the pink and it looks hella like, oh my god. And these yellows, this yellow, wow, it's so satisfying to me. Alright, so that's good. So what I'm going to do now is get Gumdrop, which is like a, Gumdrop, which is like a light purple shade, which is right here. And we're gonna apply that right on top of that transition color. Oh my goodness. Yes. Ooh, I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing now. Alright, so that's good enough. So I'm going to go ahead and get a flat brush and do like a little crease right in the middle of the eye. So let me get some concealer. I need to buy some new concealer because baby, I'm running out. Oh, it is extremely hot. I'm sweating. You know what? I think I might just do a whole half cup crease because I'm not liking how it looks right now. Right, so I'm gonna go back in with that purple and kind of want to add like white eyeliner. So I'm gonna get some white eyeliner and that's just gonna be half. That's just, I'm just gonna do a half eyeliner. I don't want to go all the way. All right, that's good enough. I'm gonna let that dry just a little bit while I apply more. So let me get another flat brush, and I'm gonna go in with Version, which is like a white shade, and apply this right on top of that eyeliner to give it more color. All right, so let me get some mascara, and I'm gonna just put on mascara, and then I'm gonna go ahead and apply the lashes off camera and do the other eye. So you guys, I'll be right back. Alright you guys, so I did my other eye off camera, and I actually also applied some foundation off camera, so we're just gonna go ahead and jump in right into concealer. So the concealer I'm gonna be using today is a Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation Plus concealer, and I am in the color 5.5. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is apply some setting powder. So I'm going with the Airspun Loose Face powder. Wow. Okay. So I'm gonna just leave that there for like 5 seconds. And dust this off. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get some bronzer. I'm going with Lisa Frank bronzer. So I'm gonna go ahead and go back in with the palette and do the under eyes. Apply some mascara to the lower lashes. Some blush. I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild blush. Get that little blush. And highlight with the Wet n Wild highlight, my all-time favorite. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on the inner corner of the eye. It's 12:25 p.m. me. So let me get this. Alright, let me clean my lips up a little bit. Some lipstick. And the lipstick I'm gonna go in with is with the Kate Rimmel London Kate lipstick, and this is in the color 45. Add a little bit of the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink. Alright, so for setting spray, I'm gonna go in with the Smashbox Photo Finish So Chill Coconut Primer Water. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look with the Jawbreaker palette, you guys. So what can I say? This palette is super, super good, really pigmented. Love the colors. Oh my god, you guys, this palette is amazing. So if you do not have your hands on this palette, I suggest that you get it, because this palette is really, really good. I am not disappointed at all. I don't think I will ever be disappointed by Jeffree Star's Cosmetics. Never. You know, they're really good palettes. Really, really do love them. Both of them are such amazing palettes, you know, very beautiful colors, very pigmented. Like, I mean, come on, you guys. If you don't have it, get it. I recommend it. Amazing, beautiful palettes. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up, leave some comments below, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.